After 40 years of building cars, Proton has yet again surprises us with the new Proton X90. Presenting to you Proton X90. Technology has truly revolutionized the way cars are designed and built today.
My first impression with the X90 is the pilot seat. The pilot seat has aircon and it's amazing. And also the engine. It's the mild hybrid plus fuel-based engine, which is quite powerful.
My first impression of the X90 is very premium, suitable for all types of family or individuals who want to go for outing, and feels very luxury also as well. I believe a sunroof is one of the highlights. You can see the overall experience while traveling abroad, and also the wide 12.3 LCD. That's also can see the whole panoramic view of the car.
My first impressions of this X90, I think it's very stylish, very comfort and very elegant. My favorite key feature, I think, is a 360 camera. It's very helpful, especially for the lady driver.
Saya rasa dia sangat besar dan kelihatan sangat cantik.
Dia macam ada luxury sikit lah. Dia punya trim dalaman yang 1 ton tapi nampak macam mewah sikit lah. Leather yang dia gunakan, nampak leather sangat mantap lah. Mula-mula tu saya rasa dia punya back seat macam sempit. Tapi bila saya sudah coba sendiri, saya naik pun masih ada ruang di kepala. Kira macam selesa lagi lah.